guys, we're gonna make ingredients and we're gonna start with sprinkles and mix. And let's get started. It's so hard. Wow, I think it's sprinkles. That's too much. Okay, I can add this. How to do that one? I'll do this one. Maybe I want to do this one first. I can do that. I did it again. That thing's funny. I did that by myself. I did it. Can we use that? I think that should get them. So what's going to start with? Okay. So we're going to mix this up. Can I do the sprinkles? And now I'm gonna mix it up. Yay, I love sprinkles and a lot of sprinkles! That's pretty loud! It's so good. It shouldn't be this slime, like slime. Yeah. So next week, so we're gonna mix it up together, and then we're gonna make cake. Hey guys, we're gonna make a cake and do the frosting. Whoa! This is how my grandma is gonna do it. Whoa! Whoa! Get this top.
Good job.
I get some more. Ah!
Beautiful.
It's getting so bold. Duty body body. It's getting loose. Try. This side. Ooh, I'm almost done. Not done.
All done. Say bye.
Bye.
Whoa!